And we start the opening tip here for the third game between MOT and Solomon's Staircase. Welcome to the Interlodge Mason Basketball League. This is your host, MC, analyst, commentator, Ludwig Van Magic Man, together with our referees for today, referee Janet Theus and Marcus Reed, as well as our statistician, Jessel Navalta. Solomon's Staircase, starting with Ambagan, Hayes, Sanchez, Pina, and Rubio. For MOT, they'll be starting with Otbo, Pacunio, Goze, Moradas, and Custodio. As we start the opening tip-off, Goze with the fadeaway. Who are the players to watch out here for MOT? Well, MOT is one of the powerhouse teams here in this tournament. As we mentioned, they were able to hit some setback against ALTP and some other teams, but they're considered against Pakrim, no? But they're considered one of the heavyweights here in this tournament. And look at their lineup as Custodio launches from deep. Hayes, this is his first game for Solomon's Staircase as they're trying to beef their lineup here. Otbo and Goze, easy basket, 5-0 for MOT. Well, Solomon's Staircase, they are a rookie team here and they're experiencing some growing pains, but you know, it's part of the process, no? They just gotta stay on the course, play together, and something might happen as well. Philip Moradas, the player of the game, last outing, and look at Philip Moradas calmly using the glass as his friend here, 7-0. And that was a smooth operating drive from Moradas. You can see his skills as he maneuvers his way to the basket. Sean Pacunio from way downtown, 10-0, roaring uphill here. Solomon's Staircase losing the services of Adam De Los Reyes, their main man. And short from Ash. And ball will go to the other side. MOT, a chance to increase the lead. Otbo from corner 3. Too strong, the big fella Sanchez loses that pass. Otbo with the runner and Sanchez again collecting that board. 10-0. Half court set here for Solomon's Staircase, and outlet pass Custodio, and Custodio with the home run. 12-0. Solomon's Staircase will call their first timeout with 16 minutes left here in the first half. Scoreless. Men of Tired flexing their muscles here in this ballgame. We'll be right back after this timeout. Special shout out, Brazen Pillars. Parang nakita ko si Kuyang Eric kanina, pero parang nawala. Asan? Ayun oh, si Brother Harlem oh. Brother Harlem Ruiz of Clarence F. Smith Daylight Lodge. Junior Deacon, ha?
Late ako, Brad. Sorry.
No problem.
Parehas na tayo.
Back to the ball game. If you have just tuned in, Men of Tard up 12-0 against Solomon's Staircase. Pina looking at the zone defense, being pressured by Pacunio. Sean Pacunio will go all the way to the hole and will deliver the goods. Pina facilitating. Rubio against Custodio, and Custodio will be called for the reach-in foul as Rubio able to protect the leather. Pina looking at his options, they go corner, and the defense extending on that one, shutting down any lane. Rubio throws a wild pass, and look at Sanchez. Sanchez using his size, and Sean Pacunio, 4 points for Sean Pacunio. Well, once MOT finds the rhythm, their chemistry, well, watch out. This team has a lot of talent. A combined Lodge of Artesia, Anaheim, Andres Bonifacio Lodge. All the talent is there, but the question is how are they going to make it work for their squad? Sean Pacunio pulls the trigger, hits all board. And a chance for Solomon Staircase to score here. Of course, special shout out to our brother Harlem Ruiz, Junior Deacon of Clarence F. Smith Daylight Lodge number 866. Thank you for your presence. Sanchez, top of the key, and Sanchez banks it in. As Kobe Bryant would say, you gotta put it in the bank. So you can take that in the bank. Huh? Custodio sees daylight, and Custodio will exploit the defense. 18-3. Adre checks in the ball game for Solomon Staircase. Pina throws it, and that was way off the mark for Pina. Otbo with the reverse, and Otbo offline for Otbo. 18-3. They have a comfortable lead, 15 points. And Custodio, defensive awareness for Custodio, showing his worth for this team as put back for Goze, reliable big man for MOT. Well, Goze has been consistent here for Men of Tired, no? Just doing all the blue-collar job for his team. Literally, no, blue-collar, and they're wearing blue jersey. So, you get the reference. And Sanchez misses. Special shout out to brother Eric Yalong, no? Brother Eric Yalong, team captain of Brazen Pillars. 22-3. This has been a one-sided affair so far for Men of Tired, as they're up by 19. Pina finds Abadilla, pump fake, and traveling violation for Abadilla. A step too many for Abadilla. And finally, the leading scorer for Solomon Staircase, Adam De Los Reyes. Well, let's see if he can energize his team. No? He has been carrying the scoring load. Special shout out, Kuyang Ricky Santor, no? Kuyang Ricky Santor, shout out, special shout out. Fresh from the Philippines, Kuyang Ricky Santor. Kuyang Ricky, one of my favorite players from Brazen Pillars, no? Of Van Nuys Lodge. Fresh from the Philippines. And timeout will be called by Solomon Staircase. Our score is 22-3 with 10 minutes and 13. We'll be back after this timeout. Kuha kita ng camera.
Hindi, ito muna.
Nakahiya naman sa'yo.
Hindi, okay lang.
Papatagkat pa siya eh.
Kulang ng ano.
Kung hindi mo na ito, kuha na lang.
Kulang ng sangat.
I go see her playing. I go see her playing. And then I just like your boy does. Make your game more.
Oh, brother.
Ah, bro. Kami na. Sige.
You went. Back to the ball game. Ray Pacunio is in the ball game together with Domingo, Chua, and Ramirez. They swing that ball around. Ramirez, Jerome, quick passing. Chua with a floater. And Ramirez powers his way for the putback. And Ramirez continues to punish the paint for Men of Tired. Fresh legs here for Men of Tired. MOT, as he will try to complete the 3-point play. No basket.
The basket.
Adam De Los Reyes, can he make a difference here for the Solomon Staircase? Two-man game. De Los Reyes to Sanchez with a jump hook. Domingo, the defense extending on him. Ambagan recognizes the shooter. And Ramirez boards it in for Jerome Ramirez, flexing his muscles in the shaded lane. Ambagan. De Los Reyes showing us his handles, and look at the defensive stance of Chua. When we mentioned Chua has been their defensive stopper. He was able to play a good game against Ian Talyara of ALTP, but they lost in the overtime game of that matchup. They were very much in control of that ball game, but ALTP coming from behind. Adam De Los Reyes, high-low. Abadilla misses. Oh, that's Rubio, sorry. That's Rubio. Domingo thought about it for Ramirez, and they will reset. Finds Ramirez inside, and Ramirez hitting it. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not Ramirez number 13. But Ramirez makes the basket. That's Plaza, no? Same body frame. Confused the hell out of me. Reyes with the jump hook, and Reyes will get a foul, and he will have to earn it on the free throw line for Adam De Los Reyes. The first man, Adam De Los Reyes. Special shout out, Brazen Pillars, Ron Ramores. Let's give a round of applause to our brother, Ron Ramores, no? Coming from the Hiram Awards last night, no? Of Granada Hills Lodge, Ron Ramores, one of my favorite players here in this tournament, no? Ray Pacuño, baseline, Domingo, will list it down for Jasper Domingo, sharp shooter, Jasper Domingo, firing it as all net. Plaza coming from behind, almost completing the steal for Plaza. Joey Plaza, right? If I'm not mistaken. Am I right? Joey Plaza? Corner, Sanchez. And that was a beautiful pass coming from Sanchez, recognizing Rubio, unable to complete the play, give and go. Ray Pacuño showing his lightning quickness here, and he has to pull back. He sees the bigger defender, Ramirez around the Plaza, bumping and grinding, and Plaza inside the paint. 33-3, 30-point lead. Men of Tired showing why they are one of the heavy favorites here in this tournament. We'll be right back. Okay.
Tulok na natin ng konti dun. Ha? Pwede ba natin tulok?
Back to the action. This is the so-called Ballers League Interlodge Mason Division, exclusive only for Freemasons. As we say, this is a big club and you ain't part of it. And we are back here in the action as Ash hits air ball. Of course, as we said, this is an exclusive Freemasons League. If you are an Entered Apprentice Mason, you can join, as well as fellow craft and of course Master Masons. If you have the higher degrees, you are also welcome from dependent bodies. Of course, we're back here. Adam De Los Reyes showing us his handles against Chua. This is an interesting matchup. They go at the post. Sanchez with the jump hook gets his own rebound as the big fella making his presence felt for Sanchez. Well, that's the two-man game of Solomon's Staircase. That is a bright spot for them that they can work on in the upcoming games or in the upcoming seasons. They can build around those two guys, no? De Los Reyes and Sanchez. 3 minutes and 53. Our main event for today's 4-game headliner is Brazen Pillars and Palaka Shooting Club. Jasper Domingo again burying the tray for Jasper Sharpshooter Domingo. Well, like we mentioned, I hope we have a 3-point shootout, no? Because I would find it interesting who is the shooter in this tournament. Ray Pacuno trying to save that ball, and he does. Ramirez drop pass. Ray Pacuno. That athleticism of Ray Pacuno, well, that will be a factor in the playoffs, no? That guy can score, he can facilitate, he can also hit from long distance. Well, this is a heavy loaded team for Men of Tide, no? From their first player up until their 15th player, everyone can contribute. Comes up short for Pina as the defense enough to bother him. Well, for Men of Targon, they can use this game to work on their chemistry as they are playing for the first time together, because Metropolitan Lodge has disbanded from last year's tournament. No? Well, last year they were also one of the favorites in the tournament. They had their players carry over from last season. They go at the post. Adria against Ramirez. Pina looking at his options and decides to go at the post. Pina with the runner, and Pina unable to get the shooter's bounce. Ramirez coast to coast finds the corner 3 for Domingo, and Domingo misses as Ash challenging him. Adria unable to catch that ball. Our official score with 1 minute left here in the first half. 38. Is it 38? 38 to 5. Well, MOT. Well, that's how you play the game, no? Don't look at the score. Just work on your plays and try to improve, no? That's what Masonry is all about. It's all about, no? Trying to be better each day. And this is one way of showing how to be better through sports, no? Keeping our body fit, our minds sharp, and of course the brotherhood, camaraderie, fellowship, that's all part of the fraternity. And this has been a long day for Solomon's Staircase. Chua. The defense trying to shut down Adam De Los Reyes, and Sanchez back at him. The big fella back to Ash, and Ash with a jumper behind the back pass. Plaza loses it with 10 seconds left in the first half. 38 to 5. And Reyes will try to throw a Hail Mary, and that ends the first half. MOT with a convincing 38-5 lead over Solomon Staircase. Will be right back after the first half festivities. Welcome to the second half of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League powered by the SoCal Bars. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man, your host MC for today. Commentator, analyst, all at the same time. And you're watching MOP and Solomon Staircase as Solomon Staircase scores the first basket here in the second half. Sean Pacunio tries to answer back. Thank you, Kuya Ricky Santor of Van Nuys Lodge, one of my favorite players as well, no? And personal friend of mine, Sean Pacunio. Thank you very much, Kuya Ricky, no? Fresh from the Philippines. Moradas finds Gose with the magic pass, finding a way for that entry pass. Moradas doing everything for his squad. Now, well, this is a guy that you should watch out for. Philip Moradas. This is his first season, I believe, in this tournament. And now, with the assist to Sean Pacunio. Sean Pacunio delivering that fast break. Philip Moradas. Well, Philip Moradas is a complete player, no? With the size, with the skills, he can play inside out. Well, he can also play multiple positions for his team, no? He can play in the post, he can play as a point guard, setting up his teammates. And look at Gose. Gose stretches for the layup. Jeremy Ramirez is also in the ballgame. From last year's tournament, he was from AWC, no? Anaheim West Covina. Adam De Los Reyes carrying the scoring load for Solomon Staircase. And it will go to the other side. Mustafa is also in the ballgame. Solomon Staircase with Pina, De Los Reyes, Ash, Mustafa, and Rubio. As for Men of Tide, Moradas, Sean Pacunio, Jeremy Ramirez, and Gose. Of course, Mark Moralida as well. Well, Mark Moralida on the trade deadline, he has to choose his team. If he plays with ALPP, if he plays with MOP, because that's the rules, no? You have to wait for the trade deadline. But during the tournament, you can still play with other teams. Yeah, trade deadline, no? And from behind, Gose. And Gose will finish them off. Well, Gose, a reliable big man from the post, and that time he showed us that he can also play as a stretch big man, no? He can also be a threat from outside. 3-on-2 situation. Sean Pacunio finds Gose. Top of the key, Sean Pacunio. And comes up short. Adam De Los Reyes. This is a young team, no? The Solomon Staircase. With their two guys. Adam De Los Reyes and Sanchez. In and out for Gose. Well, they just gotta keep their heads up here, learn whatever they can in this ball game, and probably try to bounce back, no? Ash finds himself open from the elbow, and Ash comes up short. And Moralida comes up empty. De Los Reyes with his patented jump hook. And that is his favorite move, though. Like running jump hook. No-look pass, Moradas. As point blank miss for Jeremy Ramirez. All fun and games for them. 46-8. Rubio hits from rainbow distance with the delight from the crowd. Again, don't forget to subscribe, SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube. Goze in the paint. Physicality on the floor as Goze feels the pain down his spine. Substitution, Christian Otbo in the ballgame. Another scorer for MOT. Christian, the Man Mountain Otbo. Chuck Hayes in the ballgame as well. Mustafa will have to sit down here. Moralida gets hacked by Chuck Hayes, and he will go to the free throw line for Mark Moralida.
Bro, Rasulit.
Rubio directing traffic. They find Ash at the post and Moralida stops the play. Hayes with a fade away. De Los Reyes corner finds Ash at the post. Hayes and Hayes unable to save that ball, and it will go to MOT. MOT wearing the blue jersey while Solomon Staircase donning the black and white jersey. From the middle, Pina, Chuck Hayes pump fake against Pacuna, drops it off to Ash, hits all board, they tap it away, and it will go to the other side with 12 minutes left, or rather 11 minutes left here in the second half. Well, what should Solomon Staircase do here, no? Well, probably they should capitalize on Adam De Los Reyes' scoring ability, probably set him up, and go with that 1-2 punch as Moradas with that nasty, sick handles as he was able to smoke his defender, blows by him. Pina going back now for Solomon Staircase. Their two guys reminds me of Kobe Shaq. What do you call this? Dynamics, no? Sanchez and Adam De Los Reyes. Now they can work on that, no? Moradas behind the back. Goze, quick passing. Goze uses his size underneath the basket. Goze providing some ceiling for his team. Reyes being pressured. 10 minutes remaining. Pina sees no opening. Ash against Otbo. Finds Hayes, but Hayes down on the floor. Substitution. Ambagan in the ballgame, providing some rest to Ash. Substitution. Custodio, a brand new set of 5. And fresh legs. Custodio, Pacuna Sean, Ray, Jerome Ramirez, and Domingo. And comes up short for Chuck Hayes. Custodio, one-on-one against Pina, decides to pull back. Domingo, left wide open, decides to give it at the corner for Custodio, and Custodio offline. Ramirez trying to save that ball. And look who we have there, that's brother Aldrin Perez. Brother Aldrin Perez, Mr. Physicality himself, no? Tanda mo, ha? Brothers yung kalaro natin, Brother Aldrin, ha? Huwag masyadong, ha? Biro lang, pero, you know, the intensity that Brother Aldrin brings to the game, no? Yun ang na-appreciate natin kay Brother Aldrin Perez, no? His intensity in the ball game, physicality. something that Brazen Pillars can use for their team, no? Chuck Hayes misses that free throw. Again, main event. Brazen Pillars going up against Palaka Shooting Club. It's going to be an exciting ball game. Gabriel Gaget trying to make a comeback for PSC, Palaka Shooting Club. And Ariel Freyna. I wonder where Ariel Freyna will play today. No? That's the biggest question in my mind as of the moment. As we are just winding down the clock, enjoying this ball game. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Faucilla Park. Carson City, Sanchez underneath the basket. Two-man game. Sanchez and De Los Reyes. The big fella. Seven minutes and 23 remaining. Skying high for that rebound is Plaza. Ramirez drops it off and Ray Paculio. Kwentuhan dito sa atin. I overheard some stories here in the side of MOT, no? Reyes with the runner. Ramirez absorbing that rebound. 2-on-1 situation. Plaza. Jasper Domingo with a hand on his face, but they were able to recover. Ray Paculio. Lightning speed and quickness. Plaza thought about it. Corner. And almost a steal completed, but MOT recovers it. Paculio. Inside to Plaza, and Plaza continues to dominate here in the second half. Solomon staircase. It's a long and winding staircase, no? Yung 357, paborito ni Kuyang Eric yan eh, no? Kuyang Eric Yalong hanggang ngayon, memorize pa yung 357 eh. Paki-deliver nga ngayon yung 357, Kuyang Eric. Just kidding, no? But, you know, Kuyang Eric Yalong of Granada Hills Lodge. And Jerome Ramirez. De Los Reyes. He sees an opening, however, unable to complete the play. Ramirez drops it off. Sean Ray Paculio. They will use the clock underside with 4 minutes and 19. Plaza securing that leather. Custodio all board. Well, this is a scary thing, no? MOT, when they play together, everybody is a threat, no? Ramirez against Pina. Plaza decides to slow things down. High-low. Domingo all day to shoot, and Domingo bullseye. Jasper Domingo. 11-16. Solomon staircase. They need to find a way to score, or at least learn from this ball game. Plaza boarding it in. Shout out Kuyang Leo de la Cruz, no? Kuyang Leo. Fresh from Hiram Award last night. Leo de la Cruz. Abang ako pag na-Hiram si Kuyang Leo, no? Someday. Of course, Kuyang Leo of Granada Hills Lodge, no? Shriners, yan. Oh, Adam de los Reyes. From way downtown. One-on-one. Paculio. Quick passing. Jasper Domingo will try to answer back against Ambagan. let's not look at the score and just enjoy the ball game. No? This is Fellowship Sunday, fun and games, and of course for Solomon Staircase, this is the journey that they have to go through. Every team has gone through this journey. It's Jasper Domingo,
Back-to-back 3.
back-to-back hits. Let's wait for the loose ball, for the deadlock situation. Last 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by Tito Jessel Navarta. Not Tito Jessel Navarta, our statistician for today. By the way, our referees for today is Marcus Reed and Janet Tias. And runner from Pina. And the energy from the crowd is something that they can bank on, no? Going on to continue with this tournament. Well, like what we mentioned, every team has gone through this phase. This is just part of the journey, the growing pains. From darkness to light, no? Sabi nga nila, no? If you know what I mean. No? So this is that journey. And Ray Pacunio, 1 minute and 13. Ayaw nga pala, no? Do not cut, carve, and hack you. Custodio. 1 minute left. Domingo. What a ball game for Jasper Domingo, who has been making this a shooting practice for Jasper Domingo with the last 45 seconds left. As this is just more of a formality. But of course, they can work on the plays here for Solomon Staircase, you know, learn to play together, build on the chemistry. And for Men of Tired as well, they're not tired. And the punishment continues for Men of Tired, and showing us why they are one of the heavy favorites. And that ends the ball game. MOT with a convincing victory against Solomon Staircase. And that wraps up our third matchup. Solomon Staircase will go back to the drawing board as we prepare for the main event of our Sunday showdown. We'll be right back. This is the Interlodge Mason Basketball League. We'll be back with the fourth game.